Wine, often referred to as the elixir of life, has been cherished by humanity for centuries. Its rich history, cultural significance, and diverse flavors have made it an integral part of our lives. Whether it's a bottle of fine red wine for a special occasion or a refreshing glass of white wine to unwind after a long day, wine holds a unique place in our hearts. However, once a bottle of wine is opened, its journey towards oxidation begins, and the clock starts ticking on its flavor and aroma. This is where the Vacu wine savor pump steps in as a revolutionary tool that enables wine enthusiasts to preserve the freshness and quality of their wine. In this essay, we will explore the Vacu wine savor pump in depth, discussing its history, design, functionality, benefits, and impact on the world of wine. We will also delve into the science behind wine preservation and the environmental implications of using such devices. By the end of this essay, you will gain a comprehensive understanding of the Vacu wine savor pump and its role in enhancing the wine drinking experience. There are numerous options for best wine savor pump, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable best wine savor pump from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. The Vacu wine savor pump consisted of a vacuum pump and specially designed stoppers. The pump worked by extracting air from the open bottle, creating a vacuum that slowed down the oxidation process. The stoppers, made from high-quality rubber, provided an airtight seal, ensuring that the vacuum remained intact. The Vacu wine savor pump tackles the oxidation aspect of wine preservation. Oxidation is a chemical reaction that occurs when wine comes into contact with oxygen. This reaction leads to the breakdown of compounds in wine, resulting in the loss of flavor and aroma. By removing air from the bottle, the wine savor pump slows down this oxidation process, prolongs wine freshness. The primary benefit of the wine savor pump is its ability to extend the lifespan of open wine bottles. It allows wine lovers to savor their favorite vintages over several days or even weeks without worrying about spoilage. Cost-effective. Wine can be a significant investment, especially when dealing with high-quality or rare bottles. By preserving wine with the Vacu wine savor pump, individuals can save money by avoiding unnecessary waste. Easy to use. The device is user-friendly, making it accessible to both wine connoisseurs and casual drinkers. Its simplicity allows anyone to preserve wine effectively. Compact and portable. The wine savor pump is small and portable, making it an ideal companion for wine lovers on the go. It is perfect for picnics, parties, or traveling. Versatile. The Vacu wine savor pump is compatible with various types of wine bottles, including standard and sparkling wines. This versatility ensures that it can be used for a wide range of wine varieties. Environmental benefits. By reducing wine wastage, the wine savor pump contributes to environmental sustainability by decreasing the need for additional wine production and packaging. Number 2. Coravin Model 3 Wine Savor Pump. The Coravin Model 3 Wine Savor Pump builds upon the innovative ideas of its predecessors. It allows users to access and pour wine from a bottle without removing the cork, ensuring that the remaining wine stays protected from oxidation. This groundbreaking technology has forever altered the way wine enthusiasts experience and savor their favorite vintages. The Coravin system uses a specially designed, ultra-thin needle that penetrates the cork without causing damage. Once the needle is inserted, argon gas, an inert and non-reactive gas, is injected into the bottle. Argon is heavier than air, so it forms a protective layer over the wine, preventing contact with oxygen. This innovative approach ensures that the wine remains unspoiled, even after multiple pours. For collectors and connoisseurs, the Coravin Model 3 opens up the possibility of sampling wines from their collection without having to uncork the bottles prematurely. This is particularly advantageous for wines that benefit from extended aging, as it allows for periodic evaluation and assessment. One of the primary criticisms of the Coravin Model 3 is its initial cost and ongoing expense. The device itself, along with the argon gas capsules and additional accessories, can be a significant investment for wine enthusiasts on a budget. However, proponents argue that the savings in wine preservation and reduced waste over time can justify. Number 3. Le Creuset Champagne Stopper. The Le Creuset Champagne Stopper, like the brand itself, is the result of thoughtful design and meticulous craftsmanship. It was born out of a desire to elevate the experience of savoring champagne while ensuring the preservation of its effervescence. Unlike traditional cork stoppers, which can deteriorate over time and allow air to seep into the bottle, Le Creuset's champagne stopper is engineered to create a secure seal, keeping your champagne fresh and bubbly for days. Its design takes inspiration from the iconic Le Creuset corkscrew, featuring a sleek and ergonomic shape that seamlessly integrates into the brand's aesthetic. The champagne stopper's design is a fusion of form and function. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it is built to withstand the rigors of regular use and maintain its elegant appearance. The stainless steel body not only adds a touch of modernity, but also ensures the stopper's longevity. At the heart of the champagne stopper's functionality is its silicone seal. This food-grade silicone provides an airtight closure, preventing air from infiltrating the bottle and causing the champagne to lose its effervescence. The silicone seal is also easy to clean and maintain, making the stopper a practical choice for champagne enthusiasts. Aesthetic appeal. The Le Creuset champagne stopper's design harmonizes with the brand's cookware and dining collections. Its sleek lines and vibrant colors make it a visually appealing addition to any table setting. Durability. Like all Le Creuset products, the champagne stopper is built to last. Its high-quality materials ensure that it will serve you well for years to come. Versatility. While primarily designed for champagne bottles, the stopper can also be used for other sparkling beverages like Prosecco or sparkling wine, further expanding its utility. Gifting. The champagne stopper makes an excellent gift for wine and champagne enthusiasts. Its elegant presentation in a Le Creuset box adds an extra layer of sophistication to the act of gift-giving. Number 4. OXO Perfect Seal Bottle Stoppers. The OXO Perfect Seal Bottle Stoppers are a testament to thoughtful design and engineering. These stoppers are designed to address the core issues that plague wine preservation: oxidation, temperature fluctuations, and exposure to oxygen and light. Let's delve into their design and functionality. Materials. The OXO Perfect Seal Bottle Stoppers are crafted from high-quality materials. The primary material is food-grade silicone, known for its durability and ability to create an airtight seal. This silicone seal ensures that oxygen is kept at bay, preventing wine from spoiling due to oxidation. Airtight seal. The key feature of the OXO Perfect Seal Bottle Stoppers is their ability to create an airtight seal within the bottleneck. When the stopper is inserted, it expands to fit snugly, preventing any exchange of air between the bottle and the outside environment. This airtight seal effectively halts the oxidation process, preserving the wine's freshness and flavors. Universal fit. One of the notable advantages of the OXO Perfect Seal Bottle Stoppers is their universal fit. They are designed to fit most standard wine bottlenecks, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of wine bottles. This versatility makes them a convenient choice for wine enthusiasts who enjoy wines from different regions and producers. Ergonomic design. The ergonomic design of the OXO Perfect Seal Bottle Stoppers makes them easy to handle and insert into wine bottles. The thumb-operated lever allows for effortless sealing and removal, ensuring a hassle-free experience for users of all ages and levels of wine expertise. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.